Hello, Godson. You ready to be in a video? Yeah? Yeah? You ready to be in a video? Anyways. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Candy Kitchen, where today I will be teaching you how to make something other than pizza pockets. That's right. So I got this from being mildly concerned when I watched the Odd Ones Out video about being an adult and him saying he ate nothing but pizza pockets, which is kind of concerning if you think about the health indications about that. And I'm not a doctor, but eating nothing but pizza pockets isn't very good for your health. Just in general. Ain't that right, catties? Yep. Alright, and so today I thought with my minimum skill that I've learned from basically just, experimenting with random foods, because, I want to make sure that when I move out, I don't die. So, I thought with my minimal experience, I would learn how to make random foods of my own, based on hopefully pretty cheap methods and food stuff, and then, yeah, food. Haha, it's a gun. Alright, so what we're gonna start off with is our bowl. Our bowl and our spoon. As all, something in there. Alright, as all good dishes should, we start off with our oats. They're nice, nothing but oats. One moment, please. Alright. See if you can see this. Look at those. Oh, I accidentally spilled some. Oopsies. Oats in our bowl. Not like that many oats. Here, about this many oats, okay? You don't need a lot, because they're gonna expand anyways, so just remember that. Usually I have oats with milk, and it's like cereal, so you can do that, I guess, if you want a healthy alternative for cereal. And it actually is quite filling. You can eat it for breakfast and not be hungry until a while later, as breakfast foods should do. When you have this, then I guess you just need your yogurt. Look how delicious that is. Make sure to smell it first and make sure it actually smells like yogurt. Unless if you don't know what yogurt smells like, then you should ask a friend or something. So anyways, you just grab this and then you start scooping. You see? So good at explanation. Alright. This one's actually a bit bigger than the bowl I had yesterday, so it'll be even more filling for an even bigger breakfast. Then, of course, what you want to do is add the honey. Since this is bland yogurt, we need to have honey. Now, what we're going to do is we just want to douse this thing in nothing but honey, basically. It's a bit... It might take a moment. I have to swap hands real quick because it's taking a while, and oh boy, my arm is tired. One moment. Alright, that's probably enough honey. If I need more, I can always add more later. Done? Alright, so the next thing you want to do is add cinnamon, which is honestly something you should add to almost every... Oh! Okay, that isn't that bad. Let's just... There we go. It won't seem like that much when it's actually stirred in, but cinnamon is actually pretty healthy, according to my aunt at least, so... Last time when I made this yesterday, I didn't stir this stuff in first. I waited until it was done before I started in, but, learning from that, it was really hard, so... What I'm going to do is I'm going to stir the yogurt stuff first, and then later I'll stir the oats. Gotta make it look pretty. Look, it's a nice swirl. Look at that, it's so pretty. Alright, and then the last step, oh boy, the spoon does not look so pretty. Let's hide that a little bit. If you want to go for presentations, gotta hide the ugliness. Ew. Alright, the last step is to put on the grapes. This is pretty self-explanatory. I already pre-washed the grapes, so you shouldn't have to worry. At least not for my health, because I pre-washed them. That doesn't look like as much. Before I had the bowl, it was very different. It was a very small bowl, so... I might want to get some more grapes. One moment, please. Alright, so the end goal is to absolutely smother this thing in the grapes of wrath. Alright, so just a couple more. Alright, that looks like a relatively decent meal. Mmm, delicious. So one more step. Alright, one more step. Alright, so that's about it. Just get some orange juice. Oopsies. Alright, so just get some orange juice along with your meal, and voila! It looks delicious. What do you think, Daisy? Daisy, what do you think of the meal? You think it's good? No. What's up with you? Alright, and make sure to always feed your cats, too. Because they like that. Alright, so that's about it. Hope you guys learned how to make something, at least something other than pizza pockets. It's also really quick. I can make this in about like 5 minutes. So, maybe even less if I wasn't doing a tutorial. So anyways, I hope you guys had a nice day. And yeah, enjoy your meal.